Do you hear that noise? That rattling sound coming from your car? Well, it's not something you should ignore. This noise generally indicates a looseness of one or more brake parts. Certain parts of a brake unit can become loose and cause a rattling sound when they vibrate. In the case of disc brakes, two parts that could be causing the noise are the anti-rattle springs and caliper mounting bolts. The anti-rattle springs secure the brake pads and hence, as their name implies, keep the brake pads from rattling. The caliper mounting bolts keep the caliper secure to the support bracket. As for the drum brakes, the return springs and retaining springs are possible sources of rattle. The return springs pull the brake shoes back after the brakes are released. The retaining springs keep the shoes adequately positioned. Of course, there are other brake parts that can become loose. But the above items are the most likely to cause a rattle loud enough to notice. If you hear a rattling sound from your brakes, don't wait. Take your vehicle to a reputable garage. Ask the mechanic to pull the tire corresponding to the brake unit where the rattling is coming from. Have him inspect the items mentioned previously in this diagnosis. By fixing these parts, you can prevent further damage to your brake system and ensure your safety on the road. Don't wait until it's too late. Take care of your brakes today.